Let's get used to the lock and our position tool. In order to use our lock tool, and the reason we would want to use our lock tool is so that we do not have our elements moving around when we are trying to use them. This was locked already. So in order to lock it, you hit the lock button. If you are working in an ebook and there is something you are trying to move and it is just not moving, most likely it is locked. There are going to be features in this ebook that are locked. So if you are having trouble moving them around, this is why. What we're going to do is we are going to use the position tool to move our text forward. There are two ways that you can use the position tool. You can either utilize the options here in the arrange section to move it forward, to move it backward, or you can use the layers section. So this is just going to move these forward. Now this is locked, so it is not going to allow us to move anything above this while it is locked. So you would have to use the arrange tool. What we're going to do is we're going to move this to the front, then we are going to position it. And same with this one, we will position this to the front and then place it in the corner. And then we can adjust the transparency. You can also lock your entire page. So if you're working on a multi-page ebook or design, a guide, you can lock a page to avoid any of the elements on the page being moved. If a page is locked, you need to go back here to this area to unlock it. And there's always 2 clicks when we are unlocking something, just to be sure that we actually want to unlock it. But that is how we use our position tool and our lock tool. I'm going to unlock this and show you quickly how we group items together. So I'm going to unlock this, and to group, you are going to click outside and drag around your whole design, and it has grouped these together just temporarily in order to move it. If you want them in a permanent group, you're going to select this group option. And then you can also ungroup as well. But that is it for the position and lock tool.